Ever tried placing an image in Canva and thought, why does this edge look so harsh? What if I told you that you can create smooth, professional, faded, or gradient edges in Canva without Photoshop and in just a few clicks? Hey, this is Sai from Dig Visper, and in this video, I'll show you easy method to fade image edges and blend them perfectly into any background. By the end, your designs will instantly look cleaner, more modern, and more professional. So if you have ever wondered how do designers make images blend so smoothly, this video is exactly what you need. Let's jump in. How to fade the edge of an image, or how to blur the edge of an image, or how to add gradient transparent edge of an image. Let's see how we can do this. First, add an image you want to add gradient or fade. Let's say in this case, I want to add this image is I want to add fade on this edge. How I can do this? So let's say first change the background of the image for better visibility. Let's say this is good. And now click the element section and here search gradient. 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 And here you will find different types of gradient effects. Click graphics. And here are different types of gradient effects, but we need these types of circle gradient effect that's color is changeable. So click here and yes, this gradient color is also changeable. I can also change this color as well. First, let's say I want to use this one. And now change the color as the background color of the canvas. So now add it here multiple times. Multiple times here. So this is perfect. And now let's add a title here. Let's say I want to copy this title and paste it to. So now see how it looked like. Now let's say I can add some effects on this text as well. Okay, so I think this is cool. So this way we can fade the edge of an image, or we can add blur the edge of an image, or we can add gradient effects of the edge of an image. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the Dig Visper channel.